Are you planning a business trip to Qatar? The Qatar Business eVisa makes the process simple, fast, and completely online. This eVisa is designed for short-term business visits. You can use it for meetings, conferences, negotiations, or other professional activities. It is important to note that this is not a work eVisa. It is strictly for business visits. Applying is easy. You complete the entire process online. Fill out the application form, upload your required documents, pay the fee, and submit. To apply, you typically need a valid passport, a business invitation or supporting document, a return flight ticket, and proof of accommodation if required. The business e-visa usually allows you to stay in Qatar for up to 1 month, making it ideal for short business trips. There is no need to visit an embassy or handle complicated paperwork. Everything is done digitally for your convenience. Start your Qatar business journey today with the Qatar Business e-visa. Simple, secure, and efficient.